How to replace this plastic hose if you happen to do it. This is just a plastic flex PVC tube. You could get it here with us or Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, if you need to replace it again. So it's very simple. You just need to unscrew this one, this clamp, and then there's only two hoses in here. This is the one that is going to be connected to the front. This hose right here goes all the way through and is connected into here. This one is only an air hose. It stops about right here, so you don't have to worry about it much. All you do to take this off is pull this. Be gentle, because that is stuck into the end, obviously. You can see that black, you have to push down on it. It's a pressure clamp, so you push down on it to pull the hose out. And then from there, you just pull this off. Be very careful. You keep your lines in there. Replace it with your new one. Slide it through. You have a short one and a long one. Obviously, the long one goes into the bottom. Slide them back through.
Clamps.
Put your clamps on. Clamps. Slide it in. Comes out the end. And then this is very simple. You just go right in here. You just shove it in all the way. Make sure it's all the way in. Push it back up. Tighten your clamps. Done.